Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to talk you through videos and making videos work. So in this tutorial, I'm going to talk you through videos and making the video tab work so you can automatically post YouTube videos to your Twitter account. Now, for this to work, we need to enable the YouTube API, which basically allows the plugin to search through all of YouTube and post videos for you. So we need to go to settings and we need to put our Google YouTube API key in here. Now, to get our API key, it's quite simple. We go to Google Developers, so search for Google Developers, then click on the Google API console here. And you will see a screen that looks something like this. Now, if you don't see a screen like this, it might be because you need to log in. So if you aren't logged in, then log in. And also, you may need to create a project. So if you need to create a project, do that. And it's quite simple. You just click Create Project here, give it a name, My Project 2, and then you click Create, and it'll run for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then it should pop up and you should see the screen like this. So the next thing to do is once you create your project, we need to go to the YouTube Data API here. So incidentally, if you aren't seeing this, make sure you've clicked on Library at the side. And we need to go to YouTube Data API, click on that. And then we need to enable. So if we just click enable here, okay, and we now need to create credentials. So create credentials here. We're using this YouTube Data API. Where will you be calling it from? We will be calling it from the web browser. We will be accessing public data. Click what the credentials we need. Here is our API key created. So we copy that, click done. You can see here our API key is here. So that's exactly the same thing as I copied before, but I'll copy it again. And then we go over here and then we paste it in there, save changes, and that is it done. That is the Google API completely embedded and working with the plugin. So after that, we need to find some YouTube channels or playlists that we want to use with the plugin. So let's go to YouTube and I'll find a good channel to use. I'll show you how to do this. So if I'll search for internet marketing, here we go. And let's have a look, scroll down. Try and find something. Project Life Mastery. Let's have a look. Multiple streams of income. That sounds like something that could be quite interesting. So once I've found a YouTube channel that I want to post from, I simply copy the YouTube channel URL. Now this is really important. You need to copy this URL. So it won't work if you try to copy an individual channel URL, sorry, an individual video URL. So if you try to copy this and use that URL, it will not work. You need to get the channel, the channel homepage URL. So it's like this, copy, and I'll paste it in here. And then I can put some hashtags in to use with this again if I want to. I'll just use exactly the same ones as I used before. And it's a channel, not a playlist, so choose channel and add. I can also put in playlists if I want. So if I wanted to add just an individual playlist from here, I can copy the playlist URL from there. So again, make sure you're getting the correct URLs here. So it's the channel homepage.
Hey guys, are you?
If you want to use a whole channel, so it's this one, or it's the playlist the individual playlist URL. So here, looks something like this. It says playlist list and then the ID. So copy that. And then if I wanted to use that, I would stick that in there. And again, choose some hashtags. And that one is traffic authority. So maybe I'll put that in as my hashtag. So there we go. So we've added a playlist that looks something like that. We've added a channel, which is like that. And once again, we can choose our posting frequency. I'll put that on much less often.